Scheduled exports in ExactVision 25H1. Welcome to this guide on the new scheduled exports feature ExactVision Client 25H1. This feature allows you to export video footage at a scheduled time, like overnight when the network traffic is minimal. Imagine the convenience of having your video exports ready for you each morning without manual intervention. Let's explore how to set this up and make the most out of this powerful feature. First, navigate to the configuration page and find the new scheduled exports option under indicators. This is where you'll manage all your scheduled exports. Next, navigate to the search page. Select the camera or cameras that you want to export footage for and set a start and end time for the export. This defines the time frame that you want to export. Then, select the new download and export video scheduled icon. This is the key to scheduling your export. Please note that a maximum of 16 metadata sources can be exported. Now, configure a name, date, and export time for your scheduled export. These details help you organize and track your exports. You can also leave the name field blank, as it is not a required field. Click the Apply button. Select a location to save the exported file. Make sure it is a location that is easily accessible for you, and click the Save button. If required, configure encryption settings for the export. This adds an extra layer of security to your files. Finally, click OK to schedule the export. Your export will now be displayed as pending on the Scheduled Exports page. Remember that the client needs to be active for the export to happen. If you try to exit the client, you will get a warning message. The scheduled export list is saved for 30 days. If you close and reopen the client, the list will remain, and the system will attempt any exports that are pending and the scheduled time has passed. To delete a pending export, simply select the export that you want to delete and click the Delete button. This will remove the task, but won't delete the export itself. You can sort the grid to organize the data by clicking on the column headers. If a failure occurs, you'll be notified on the Scheduled Exports page in the status column, and an error code will be recorded in the logs. You can double-click on a pending row to rename the export, or on a failed row to reschedule the failed export. Once the export starts, the Quick Export pop-up will be displayed. Once the export has completed, a green success message will be displayed. And that's how you use the new Scheduled Exports feature in ExactVision Client 25H1. This powerful feature allows you to automate your exports, saving you time and ensuring that your footage is ready when you need it. In summary, to use the Scheduled Exports feature, first you need to use the search functionality to locate the footage that you want to export. Next, select the new Download and Export Video Scheduled icon. Configure the export and schedule settings as required. Navigate to the Scheduled Exports page. Once a green success message is displayed, your video footage has been exported,